Hi Comox, Jasmeet here again. I'm doing a quick walk around on the 2008 Range Rover we just got. It's a beautiful Range Rover in a good shape. So let's see what you're gonna get for the price of that price. This is a Range Rover 2008, super low kilometers, BC vehicle, no accident reported, tires are in good shape, somewhere around 80 to 90% left, brakes are about 70%. It's a 4-liter 8-cylinder V8. Everything works, got a sunroof, hydraulics, different drive modes. We have this thing to open from the middle. The seats fold fully flat. Lots of room, tools. Does have a tow hitch which is hidden. Leather interior. As per the year age, it's in a really good condition. Little bit scratches inside. Family seats. $159,000 kilometers. 4x4. Heated seats. Different drive modes and hydraulics, and a sunroof. So this vehicle is for $10,897 plus documentation and taxes. It also comes with a 6 months warranty from the dealership. So if you're looking for a test drive, come see Jasmeet at Comox Hyundai. Thank you.